Creative Art Classes with John-Marc. Today's lesson, how to draw a cartoon bacon. Hey, it's John-Marc once again, and today is going to be a bacon cartoon we're working on. Thanks for stopping in and checking out this video. So what I'm going to be doing now is creating a basic square shape first and the crosshair in the middle. That crosshair is an indication for the face, where it's going to be. Now I'm just going to quickly just draw the shape out of that side there and on the other side as well. That square just kind of gives me a holding area, so it kind of gives me the property where the bacon's going to be built. In this case, it's going to be a very simple cartoon, so even your mom and dad can do one of this one. So why don't you ask them to try it. Alright, so as I create these eyeballs now, I'm going to do my little shading in there really quick. Okay, those little zigzagging, and work on the other one. Next, I'm going to be doing the eyebrows. It's typical square one. We could do like these eyebrows that I do here. At times, I've even done curved ones. I'm going to show you a different style of eyebrows, eyelashes, and eyes that you can come up with. You could create your own style of eyes too. But for right now, I just want you to check out how I am sketching and drawing. I am using a pencil, not a Sharpie. Please note that. And what's really cool is now you give him a nice lip. And the overlap in action there with the mouth, as well as the tongue in there with the lines. And now I'm doing some vertical and horizontal lines there to change little crisscrossing of the shading. Now I'm going to be working on the areas of the pattern of the bacon, where it's going to be the light areas and the meat area. Alright, and that was seen in the very beginning where you can see to distinguish. This was all done traditional on my Wacom stylus pen, and after I will be using Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop to complete this picture. Create a little curve there. Okay, there we go. All right, let's finish this little baby up and shade in the areas. There we go. That's actually going to be the light areas. So you can actually see what I'm actually doing now is separating the area. So visually, if you're presenting this or you're looking at something to share with somebody could distinguish. This could even be a piece of tree, a bark. You can see because how the line is looking. But we're definitely calling this one bacon. My favorite bacon is turkey bacon, actually. All right, let's finish just coloring this in right there. It's just more like shading, not coloring, and just getting that in there. And the other side over here. And as you notice, I have not erased, so don't feel like you need to always erase if you go over a line. Right, this is just a sketch. This is nothing to be final. But from this sketch, I can bring it into Illustrator as I shared, and I use that as a guide to ink over it. Alright, let's get a little bit darker right now. Build that up so you can see. If I wanted to, I could have made it three-dimensional, but you'll see the final one in Photoshop, this was all done with a certain airbrush that I did in Technique. It kind of will give you like a ripple effect in there, three-dimensional bending and bowing. And that part you can check out. Alright, and that was just all done by the art. So let's sign and date it. And thanks for watching this video. Check us out on Facebook, that's JMG Studio, and on our Instagram account, that's JMG Studio Cartoon. Oh, hey! I hope you enjoyed our video today, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, because then you can see all our old videos as well as the new ones that are coming up. Alright, thanks a lot. Take care.